Hi beavers, hi monkeys, how are you? So this week we're going to be learning in math measurements. So our first term in measurements is length. Length is measured from one end of an object to the other. So one end from this end to the other, and we use the terms longer than, shorter than, or about the same. So the top pencil is shorter than the bottom pencil, and the bottom pencil is longer than the top pencil. Let's practice. Let's compare these lengths, and we use the term shorter than, longer than, or about the same. So the red strip is to the blue. The red is shorter than the blue. The orange is to the green. In my opinion, it's about the same. So orange is about the same to the green strip. How about here? Red is to the orange. Red is shorter than the orange. Super. Now do this by yourself. Red is to the green. Super. Red is longer than the green. How about this one? Red is to the blue. So the red strip to the blue is shorter than. Wow, big brains, big words. Green is to the yellow. Longer than to the, so green is longer than the yellow. So we're comparing length. We use shorter than, longer than, or about the same. Let's practice some more. Okay, you're going to have this paper on our page. I want you to print it, and if you can't print it, it's fine. You can get a piece of paper, divide it in half, and make a side shorter and a side longer. And I need you to get any kinds of paper, and then you cut it, and then you cut them into strips. Then put one side shorter and the other side the longer sides. All right? Like here. All of these are shorter, and these on this side is longer. Now we're learning about heights. And the terms we use in heights are shorter than and taller than and about the same also. Height is the distance from the top of an object to the bottom. So the top to the bottom. Okay, so this pencil is shorter than this pencil, and this pencil over here from the top to the bottom is longer than the pencil beside it. So we use the term shorter and taller. Let's practice. The cat, so circle the taller object and mark an X on the shorter object. So the cat is taller than the kitten. Here, which one we're going to circle? You are right. The mop is taller than the bucket, and the bucket is shorter than the mop. How about here? Which one is taller and which one is shorter? The baby is shorter than the rocking chair, and we're going to circle the rocking chair. How about here? The hammer and the ladder. Which one is shorter? The hammer, you're going to make an X, is shorter than the ladder, and the ladder is longer. How about these two cows? The two cows are about the same height. How about the flower and the vase? You are right, they are about the same. How about this? The cup and the teacup. So the cup is taller than the teacup, and the teacup is shorter than the cup. How about here? The mailbox is taller than the mail, and the mail is shorter than the mailbox. Wow, you guys are super. Now we're going to be learning about weight. Weight, we use the term lighter than and heavier than. So weight measures how heavy an object is. So we're going to see how heavy something is. How do we measure it? What is this called? A balance scale. It's the tool we use to measure the weight. Okay, so this is a balance scale, and we're going to be measuring objects. See how heavy it is or how light it is. When I compare the weight, the heavier the thing is, it weighs more. So when we say heavier, means it weighs more. And when it's lighter, it weighs less. So when something is heavier, the scale will always go down. And when it's lighter, the object and the scale will always go up. So you have an activity that on our page you can use it. We have the material over there. I want you to use these materials to make a balancing scale, and I want you to weigh things around the house. It's very easy. It's using a hanger and 2 buckets. You can do it, I am sure. I hope that you understood our math for this week. You have lots of activities and lots of videos to watch. You're super. I'm super proud of you. Have a good day.